Hello, my dear friend. So, have you solved the square and square roots problems? Now, you have seen that how we can do the questions very easily. Any square up to 99, you will be able to get within 5 seconds. Square roots are not a problem at all. You will see and you will be able to solve them. Now, we are going into cubes. How to make cubes without multiplying. You are not going to multiply anything. You will just find the cubes by only two things. One, remembering the cubes up to 9. You have to remember cubes up to 9, which is given on the right side of your screen, which you can see if you do not remember them for only practice. Second thing you should be able to do double the number. You should be able to double any number fast. If you know these two things, you will be able to solve this question. So let us start with the first question on your screen. And what is that? Type 1. First we'll try to understand type 1. Type 1 means you are going to use the numbers which are starting with 1. Starting with 1. 2-digit number. We are talking about 2-digit numbers here, my dear friends. 2 digits. So 2 digit start with 1. Which are those numbers? 11, 12, 13 and so on up to 19, right? The first digit is 1. So whenever you find these numbers, how do we square? Cube. So I'll take this example. 12 cube. So 12 cube. How do we solve 12 cube? So I will show this one and then you will be able to solve very fast. So now here what you do is the common one is 1 here. Every number will have 1 at the start, so you need not have to worry. You will only work with the second digit. Second digit is what? 2. So what I am going to do, here we are making 4 columns. 4 columns, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So just imagine there are 4 columns. So what I'll do is I'll write the first digit here, second digit in the second column. In the third column, have taken your pen and notebook for noting? If you are not done, please pause it and go and grab a good pen and a notebook and then come back here. In the third column, you are going to write 2 square. The second digit square. Is that clear? Second digit square. So second digit square you know already is 4. 2 square is 4. And then 2 cube. 2 cube is given here if you do not remember. I don't hope that you do not remember. You have to remember up to 15 cubes. But now if you remember 2, it is fine. So 1, 2, 2 square and 2 cube. Is that clear? This is the first row. First row. Now what happens in the second row? There will be 2 rows. 4 columns, 2 rows. In the second row, we are not going to write anything here. We are not going to write anything at the end. We will ignore this. We will write a dash here and the middle numbers are going to be doubled. That is what I told. Middle numbers are going to be doubled. 2 into 2. Double means you are going to multiply by 2. So 2 into 2 how much? 4. 4 into 2 how much? 8. So these are the numbers. Is that clear? The middle 2 digits are going to be doubled. Now these are digits. There will be numbers here as well. 2 digit, 3 digit number. But what you are going to do? Only the middle columns you are going to double. Multiply by 2. Now you are going to add as you are adding normally. So 8, 4, 8, 12, 2, 4, 6 and 7 and 1. So you are going to add column wise. Why I started from right is because you are going to add column wise, not your normal addition. You are going to add column wise. So 8 will come here. 4 plus 8 will be 12. 1 is going as carry. It has gone as carry here to the next column. And 2 will come here. And 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. So 1728 is your 12 cube. You can calculate yourself and find out. So you are not multiplied anything. You are done only doubling and then adding. So this is what you can do. So let us take one more example to make it clear. So let us take one more example. So what is the second example? 13 cube. 13 cube. Again, imagine there are 4 columns now. So 1, you will repeat the number, repeat 1 and 3. Then what is going to be coming here? 3 square. 3 square is how much? 9. And then 3 cube. 3 cube is how much? 27. 27 comes here. Now we are going to write nothing in front of the first and the last number. First and the last column. The middle columns are going to be multiplied by 2. Double them. 3 double is 6. 9 double is 18. Now I am going to draw the column so that we will do the calculation properly. Okay. So this is what has happened now. Okay, now 27. See, how do we add is very important. I am going to take only 7 here. 2 will go as carry. We are not going to take in each column up to the first column. Second, third, fourth. These columns will take only 1 digit. The last digit they are going to take, and everything else is going to be carried to the previous column. So 9 plus 18 plus 2 we have to do. So 18 plus 2 is 20 plus 9 is 29. So try to add like this, not again one digit. Try to add both the digit, 2 digits. 18 plus 2 is 20 and 29. So 2 will go here as carry. Now how much is this? 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Again only 1 will come here, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2197 is the answer for 13 cube. Is that clear now? Is that clear now? But still, if you want, I will solve one more so that it will be much more clearer. So 14 cube. 14 cube, I will start from here. 1, 4. 4 square is 16. 4 cube is 64. Now I am not going to write anything. 4 square, 4 double is 8. 16 double is 32. Column wise. No column is written. Now we will do directly. Try to do like this. 4. 6 will go as carry. 32. Plus 16 is 48, plus 6 is 54. 5 will go as carry. If you feel this is fast, please slow it down and do it. 32 plus 16 is 48, plus 6 is 54. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 5 is 17. So 17, 1, 2, 7, double 4. This cube of what? 14. Is that clear now? Very, very simple, very, very fast. This will work very, very fast. So are you ready for the type number 2? Okay, so let us go to the next type, that is numbers ending in 1. Now we saw starting in 1. Now we are going to go for ending in 1. 2-digit numbers. I already told this is a 2-digit number. So 2-digit number ending in 1. Which are those numbers? Can you tell me? Again 11, 21, 31, 41, 51 and so on up to 91. L1 has come again. Please observe this one. L1 has come again. L1 I am going to teach you another method in the next time. So L1 will come 3 times in 3 types. I do not know why it is coming. Okay. So next we will go for 21 cube. So how do we do 21 cube? So just remember, when the number was starting in 1, we used to repeat the same digits in 2 columns, initial 2 columns. Here, because the number is ending in 1, I am going to write this number, I am going to repeat at the end. 21 I am going to repeat at the 3rd and 4th column. And we will do everything reverse. We have repeated in the 3rd and 4th column. We used to write it at the 1st and 2nd column. In the 2nd column, that is 3rd from your right, will be again 2, because 1 is common here. Again we are going to take 2. 2 square. 2 square. 2 square is 4. And again 2 cube, my dear friend. Same thing. Same thing, reverse order. Same thing. 12 reverse is 21. So again I am going to double this middle 2 terms. So 4 becomes 8, 2 becomes 4. Now add as it is. 1, 6, 12, 9. 1 carries here. Clear? Nothing has changed. I am telling you, only the first row will change every time. Second row and adding will be same. You have to only change the first row. And here the first row is repeat the numbers at the end. Second column is the first digit square. First column is first digit cube. Is that clear? It should be amply clear now. So I am going to change the color and change the question as well. What is the next question? 31 cube. 31 cube. Again, what you are going to do? You are going to write 31 at the end. Here what will come in the second column? 3 square is 9. What will come here? Cube will come. 3 cube. What is that? 3 cube is 27. Now same thing, we are going to ignore the first and the last column, double the middle two columns. 9 double is 18, 3 double is 6. So add them. 1, 9, 27, 29, 2, 9, 7, 9, 1. I did not have to teach you how to add. So this is what is adding. So 2, 9, 7, 9, 1. Not more than 5 seconds it should take. If you are going for any bigger number like 81, maybe a little bit bigger calculation. But if you are doing these numbers, very simple. Are you ready for the next one? 41 cube. So I think you are getting it easy now. You are able to understand and then you are able to follow me. So 41 at the end, 4 square, 16 in the second column, 64 in the first column. Double the middle two numbers, 32 and 8. Is that clear? Now here you see 1, 4, 8, 12. 1 will go as carry and 2 will come here. 16 again, 48 plus 1 is 49. The pen is not listening to me. Pardon me. 49 and 64 plus 4 is 68. 6, 8, 9 to 1 is the cube of 41. Is that clear? Now you have to do all other 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91. Do it yourself. There will be no difficulty. If you are finding difficulty, you have to practice more. If you practice more, you will be able to do very easily. These are numbers you are going to add. Fine. So let us go to the third type. Third type is same number or both are same digits. You can write it as digits as well. So 2 digits, both digits are same. Both digits are same means which numbers? Again 2 digit numbers I am talking. Which numbers? 11 again because it is same. So we will sort out this 11. We are not going to do 11 in any of this manner. This is one bonus for you. You can find out any power of 11 with 11 alone. Nothing is required. No other method is required. 11 raised to 1 is 11. 11 raised to 2. How do I do? I will write 1 first. In between I will leave some space and then write 1 at the end. Now I will add these above whatever is 11 raised to 1. So from 11 raised to 1 I can take 11 raised to 2, 11 square. I will add these 2 and write here 2. 11 cube you see. 11 cube again I will write 1 here, 1 here. Then I will add this 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Again I will take this one and add with this. How much? 3. 1, 3, 3, 1 is 11 cube. Now 11 raised to 4. 11 raised to 4 you want? Simple. Again write 1 here, 1 here. Add 1 plus 3 right here. Add 3 plus 3 right here. Add 3 plus 1 right here. And so on. So if you want to find out any power of 11, you will be able to find out. So no need to use any of the method I am talking here. Is that clear? So now let us go to the next number. Which is that next number? Next number is 22 cube. Now see both numbers are same. Both digits are same. If both digits are same, what I am going to do? There are 4 columns here. Right. So there are 4 columns. I am going to use these 4 columns, and what I am going to do? What I am going to do is I am going to write everywhere cube of 2. Cube of 2, 8, 8, 8, 8. Did you understand? If same digits are there, both are same digits, just write the cube everywhere. Cube everywhere, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube. Whatever is the number, that cube, same number it will be, same digits it will be. Again, same thing that I told you, only first line is going to be changed. Second line again same. 16, 16. Add them all. 8. 8 plus 16, 24. 8 plus 16 plus 2, 26. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10, 6, 4, 8 is your 22 cube. Right. So I'm not going to spend much time here. We'll go ahead. We'll go ahead and solve the next question. Next question is 33 cube. So 33 cube, what you are going to do? Everywhere 27, 27, 27, 27, and 27. Middle two numbers are going to be doubled. 27 double is 54, 27 double is 54. 2 will go as carry, and here 7 will come. 54 plus 27. 54 plus 20 is 74. 74 plus 7 is 81. 81 plus 2 is 83. Is that clear? Now again 54 plus 27 74, 81, 89. So 89 will come here. Now 27 plus 8. 27 plus 8 is 35. So 35, 9, 37 is your answer. So next I am not going to do what you say 44. It is written here 44 because you may think that all easy questions I am doing and all tough questions I am giving it to you. So I will take 88 here. Are you happy? 88 cube I will do for you, so that you will feel easy. You can do 44 cube, I will do 88 cube. So 512, 512, 512 and 512. It is now like a rhyme. So let us take the last one and the first one are left alone. The middle ones are going to be doubled. 1024, 1024. Now 512, 51 will go as carry. I told you every column will have only one digit. Now 1024 plus 512 directly will do, it will be 1536. It will be 1536. 1536 plus 50. 1536 plus 50 will be how much? 1586, and 1587 is the total of this. Only 7 will come, and we will send this 158 to next home. Whenever there is a person who is coming to you for asking for alms, what you will do? You will give some money and then send every to the next home. So send the 158 to next home, that is previous home. So they have come here. Now what is here? 1024 plus 512 is already we know it is 1536. 1536 plus 100 will be 1636. 1636 plus 50 will be 1686. 1686 plus 8 will be 1694, my dear friends. 1694. Again we will give only 4 rupees to this column and send to the next previous column. So how much is this? So 512 plus 169. 512, 612, 672, 672, 681. So 681472 is the answer. Still you will be able to, if you do this, practice this, you will be able to do still within 10 seconds. Do you agree with me? Okay. So I am not doing this, whatever 66 cube was there, I had taken 22 more. So you can do 66 and enjoy. So let us go to the next type, that is different. If they are different digits, like we have already given the numbers here, if both are different digits. Now please learn this method carefully, because this is the universal method. This is the universal method. With this method, you will be able to cube any number. Any two-digit number can be cubed by this method without again multiplying. So 23 cube. So again I am going to write 4 columns here, and be careful because this is the universal. Here no repeating. What I am going to do here, see, first digit cube in the first column. Note down. Note down please. First digit cube in the first column. So I am going to write here 2 cube, and here last column will be last digit cube, that is second unit digit cube. 2 cube here, 3 cube here, right? So 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Now what will come here in the second column? First digit square into second digit. I'll repeat again. In the second column, first digit square into second digit. So 2 square is 4 into 3 is 12. And in the third cube, can you guess what will come in the third column? It will be second digit square into first digit. Second digit square into first digit. Whatever you have done here, we will reverse it. So 3 square is 9 into 2 is 18. Now that's all. There is no change. We are going to only do what? You are going to again double this, that is multiply by 2 and write it down. 36 here. So again we'll add. So I don't think I need to tell you again. 18, 20, 56. 56, 12, 24, 36 and 5 is 41. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12167 is cube of 223. Is that clear? So this is what you need to remember. If you remember this, you will be able to do any number. I still suggest that you will go whenever you get a number which is ending in 1, the second type, starting in 1, the first type. If both are same, do it, because those are easier than this. Those are easier, same result will come. They will save your time. That is what is the ultimate motto of learning all these new methods, is save your time. So let us do 42 cube now. There is no difference, only the first line is the difference. So first line, if you want to do, what we have to do, first digit cube in the first column, last digit cube, sorry, this is not 16 my dear friend, this is 64, not square, it is cube, and last digit cube in the last. So 4 cube here and 2 cube here. What will come here? 4 square into 2, first digit square into second digit. 16 into 2 is 32. Here what will come? Second digit square into first digit. So 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Now what will happen? This will get doubled, this will get doubled, add them all, you will get the answer. Do I need to do it? I don't think so. So 32 plus 16 is 48, and then 64 plus 32 is 96 plus 4 is 90. Sorry, 96 plus 4. Is it 96 plus 4? Yes, 96 plus 4 will be 100. And 64 is 74. 74, not 6, 0, 8, 8. 74088. So I think it is amply clear now. I am for 58. I am just going to write what? I am just going to write you the first row. First row, 5 cube 125, 8 cube 512. See, if you start observing the numbers, just making any connection you want, you will see that 5 cube and 8 cube are having the same digits. It is 125, this is 512. That will help. If you are playing with the numbers, it will help a lot. So next will be 5 square. 5 square into 8. So 25 into 8. 25 into 8 is how much? 200. Then 8 square into 5. 8 square is how much? 64 into 5 is how much? 320. That is what you have to do. First digit cube in the first column, last digit cube in the last column. Second column will have first digit square into second digit. Third column will have second digit square into first digit. And then double it, add it, double it, and only middle ones you will double and add it. So I think you have enjoyed this class and you are able to understand and solve. So now what you are going to do, I am not going to give you the numbers, you know the numbers. You have to cube every number that is available. Every number you have to go in a notebook and cube everything with this method. Let it take whatever time it is going to. Whoever sweats more in the practice will bleed less in the war. So do all the cube, and in the column, in the comment box, please paste your photo of completed this assignment. All number cubes. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.